Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change brakes on a Chevy Malibu. Before starting, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure your Malibu is parked on a firm, level surface and properly secured to prevent any movement during the process. This careful preparation ensures a safe and efficient brake replacement for your vehicle. Once your vehicle is safely supported, begin by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you are working on. After lifting the car, remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and detach the two caliper guide pin bolts, typically found on the back of the caliper. Carefully slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor and suspend it securely, avoiding strain on the brake hose. Finally, remove the old brake rotor and thoroughly clean the hub assembly. Now, it is time to install your new brake components. First, place the new brake rotor onto the clean hub assembly, ensuring it sits flush. Next, insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they are properly seated. You will then need to compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp or a dedicated piston compression tool. Finally, carefully reattach the caliper assembly over the new pads and rotor, tightening the two guide pin bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. With the new brakes installed, reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Once the vehicle is lowered to the ground, use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 100 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm, restoring hydraulic pressure. Finally, take a slow, cautious test drive, listening for any unusual noises and ensuring proper braking function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.